Newscast, Mike Schultz with you once again, taking a look at the weather. And the good news is the cold air is going to be moving out. It's taking its sweet time getting out of here, but it always warming up around the Delta Junction area and Nenana in the single digits below zero, although the winds are gusting close to 40 miles an hour. Here's what's going on as far as our photograph for tonight. This is a nice one sent in by Tom Schneider. It's a Christmas cabin near Fox. You can see the colored lights on the tree there, and also the cabin lit up very beautifully. And again, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. The numbers look like this. The normal high 3 above, normal low 14 below. Today's high only 22 degrees below zero. The record high 38 in 1909, 58 below in 1961. And the sunrise and sunset after a 2-minute gain is up to 3 hours and 51 minutes. Our satellite and radar again showing the moisture moving up from the south. You can see it really beginning to show up pretty well. In fact, snow is moving into the Anchorage area as we speak, and it's all going to continue moving over the Alaska Range and bringing us some light snow starting tomorrow, late tomorrow morning, early afternoon. We might get a couple or maybe 3 inches out of this snow situation with them. But the big thing is warmer temperatures moving up, and that's the key factor. Over the rest of the state, mixed rain and snow around Juneau, raining around Kodiak Island. Otherwise, the rest of the state looking clear and cold temperatures, 28 below at Barrow and 40 below at Fort Yukon for their high today. Lower 48 weather, again, we're looking at nice weather over the western half of the country, right around freezing around Salt Lake City, 32 degrees there. Denver is 60 degrees. Up and down the eastern seaboard, they're getting ready for a big snowstorm and rainstorm. In fact, it shows up on the satellite and radar. All the ingredients are coming together down here in the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to scream up the eastern side of the country and bring quite a bit of mix of weather, and some of it could be heavy, and bringing some folks a lot of headaches. And over the Pacific Northwest, another system starting to move in. The jet stream early next week will be bringing some very cold weather right on down into the Great Lakes and dropping down as far south as the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, while over to the west things continue to remain dry and a little bit of shower activity over the Pacific Northwest. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like in the northern sections. Partly cloudy skies for Barrow. Fog still in the Fort Yukon area and sunny skies at Nome. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at occasional light snow with warming temperatures for Healy, Fairbanks, and Delta Junction. Over southeast Alaska, it looks like some rain and snow at Juneau. Ketchikan should see mainly rain, while over to the southwest part of the state, looking at a little snow in Bethel, rain at Cold Bay, and some clouds for Kodiak Island. While over the south central regions, it looks like 3 to 6 inches of snow at Valdez, periods of light snow in Homer and Anchorage. And our weather fact for tonight, as we wrap up this week, in 1982, Vinton, Louisiana had more than 18 inches of rain falling in the day. Boy, that's a lot of rain. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank, and once again, a reminder, the kids will be back with us on the 7th of January. And real quickly, our winter trails report showing that temperatures will continue to warm into Sunday with outdoor activities should be great for this weekend. And watch out for the slick tracks on the cross-country trails. Be cautious around rivers, lakes, and ponds. All right, here's your forecast for tonight. 33 degrees below zero for the coldest temperatures, but they'll start to rise after midnight, and dense fog will be diminishing. That's the good news also. Tomorrow's forecast, occasional snow with 2 to 3 inches of snow by late evening, 8 degrees below for the high, and the encouraging news for the 5-day showing temperatures rising into the digits above zero. Nice to see that. Overnight lows also will be warming, and we're looking at periods of light snow, like I said, on Saturday, and then possibly some more snow into the picture by Wednesday or Thursday, with overnight lows once again rising to 10 degrees below zero.